Thank you for choosing iSpring WSP-ARB and WSP-B series reusable spin-down sediment water filter. These filters are designed to filter out particulate, sediment, rust, and other water pollutants in order to protect equipment such as downstream pipelines, water heaters, washing machines, and other appliances from possible damage. In this video, we will show you how to properly install and operate the system. Before we begin, please check that all parts were included in the package and that you have all the required tools on hand. This system must be installed in a dry indoor environment away from heat sources. This system is only suitable for municipal tap water and well water within the temperature range of 40 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not allow wastewater or corrosive liquids to pass through the filter. The filter must be installed upright. During installation, make sure that the water flow direction marked on the valve body is the same as the direction of water flow within the pipeline. The installation location must provide reliable drainage. The frequency that the filter screen will need to be flushed will depend on the quality of the water passing through the screen. It may be necessary to flush the filter screen at least once every month. To fit different plumbing sizes, the unit comes with two types of threads on both ends: 1-inch male NPT, 3/4-inch female NPT, and 3/4-inch push fit. In this video, we will demonstrate with push fit connectors. We are committed to providing you with quality, reliable products and service. Please contact us immediately if you have any questions or concerns. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water line and open the nearest faucet to drain the water from the pipe and release any pressure. Step 2. Find a suitable location for the filter. Measure and cut the water inlet pipe. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 3. Apply plumber's tape evenly on the machine head threads and screw the connectors to the threads. Tighten the connectors with a wrench. Step 4. Remove the battery cover on the auto-flushing module and insert 3 AA batteries. Batteries are not required if you are using the power adapter. Step 5. Remove the drain cover. Screw the drain connector to the drain port. Connect the drain line to the drain connector. Tighten the nut to secure the drain line and reinstall the drain cover. Step 6. Mount the bracket on the wall and install the filter to the pipeline. Please make sure the direction arrow on the machine head is the same as the direction of the water flow within the pipeline. Step 7. Connect or insert the drain line to a drain pipe or a drain hole. Manual and auto flushing. Both the WSP-ARB and the WSP-B series have a built-in housing scrapper. The interior housing surface of the filter can easily be cleaned by turning the scraper knob. If normal scraping or rinsing does not remove the buildup in the filter housing, we recommend removing the filter assembly for cleaning. The WSP-B series filter can be flushed by turning the drain valve switch to the vertical position. We recommend flushing the filter at least once every month, depending on the quality of the water being filtered. The WSP-ARB series has an auto-flushing module preset to flush for 15 seconds every 15 days. This can be adjusted according to the quality of your source water. Refer to the following instruction to set the auto-flushing module manually. Step 1. Press the Home button once to turn on the screen. Step 2. Press the Set button to enter the Adjust mode. Press the plus or minus mark on the touchscreen to adjust flush frequency in days. Step 3. Press the Set button again to adjust the flush runtime. Press the plus or minus mark on the touchscreen to adjust flush runtime in seconds. Press the Drain button on the touchscreen to perform flushing manually. Press the Auto button on the touchscreen to set the module back to the default settings. Congratulations! Your WSP-ARB WSP-B series reusable spin-down sediment water filter is now set up and ready for use. Please adjust the flushing interval according to the needs of your water conditions. Refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.